Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Shafika Nadia binti Ruslan from UITM Campus Jengke, Pahang. I'm a student in Diploma Accounting Part 1 in class AC1101D. As you guys know, all the UITM students need to learn at home, as known as ODL, Online Distance Learning. So, for UED102, we also need to study through ODL. What is UED102? UED is study skills that you need to use for a better result in your study. What I learned in study skill is goals, getting ready to learn, time management, memory learning, and improving concentration, and the last one, taking lecture notes. First of all, I want to talk about what is goals. Goals is the result or achievement toward which effort is directed. In other words, goals is the thing that we want to achieve. It is important for us to have a goals because the goals can motivate us to do the work, to attend the class, and be a successful person. If you want to set the goals, your goals must have SMART characteristics. What is SMART? SMART is stand for S for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for relevance, and T for time-based. The next topic that I will talk is about getting ready to learn. Have you ever wondered what the difference between being a school student and university students? As for me, while being a school student, I want to finish a school quickly and be a university student because I thought be a university student more easy and more interesting. And now, I managed to become a university student in UITM Jengke. But when I be a university student, I know that the situation between a school student and university student is totally different. Do you guys know what the difference between a school student and university students? Now, let me tell you what the difference. For a school student, time structured by parents or teachers. Teachers approach you when you left behind. And school days from Monday until Friday. While for a university students, you manage your own time. You must approach lecturer when you need assistance and class time every throughout the day, and usually you spend 12 until 16 hours per week. So that is the difference between a school students and university students. Next is about learning style. Have three types of learning style. First, visual. Visual is we learn from videos, pictures, or articles. Second is auditory. For example, group discussion and oral presentation. And the last one is kinesthetic. Kinesthetic is we learn from role-playing or note-taking. So the next topic is about time management. Do you know what's the meaning of time and what's the meaning of time management? Time is slow when you wait, fast when you are late, short when you are happy, long when you feel bored, deeply when you are sad, and endless when you are in pain. While time management is an art, it is arranging, organizing, and budgeting time for the purpose of accomplishing something within a time. Do you know what's the importance of time? The importance is to realize the value of 1 year, the value of 1 month, the value of 1 week, and the value of 1 day. How do you manage your time? As for me, I will do to-do list for better planning and use a management tools for arranging time. Time management need for students because students need to submit assignment on time, complete work, and be a successful person. So always remember that what does time mean to you? Next is memory, learning, and improving concentration. What is memory? Memory is the process which we encode, store, and retrieve information. Have three types of memory. First, sensory memory. Second, short-term memory. And the last one, long-term memory. So, what is learning? Learning is the process developing sufficient surface knowledge to then move to deeper understanding, appropriately transfer this learning to new tasks and situations. And what is concentration? Concentration is the mental effort placed on sensory or mental events. It is person's ability to exert deliberate mental effort on what is important in a given situation. The reason of poor concentration is lack of intention, lack of interest, lack of motivation, and uncomfortable environment. So, what's the strategies to improve your concentrations? The strategies is use a motivational and organizational strategies, create positive learning environment, and use a attractive learning strategies and other strategies. The last topic is taking lecturers' notes. What is note taking? Note taking is write down ideas from lecturers and reading our own words. Why should we take notes? It is because taking notes can help us to pay attention in class, help us to study for quiz, test or final exam, and can help us to improve our memory. How should we take the notes? We can take the notes with write down the date and label the notes. Give ourselves space to write. Use an outline to show. Use our own word and language. While taking the notes, you must be an aggressive, not a passive listener. Have a lot of methods to take notes such as corner note-taking, two-column method, outlining, mapping methods, and others. What should we do before and after class? Before class, we need to review the notes from the day before. Review your reading assignment. Make sure you have a paper, text, pen or pencil to jot down the notes. After class, we need to review notes along with the book. Create our own examples, discuss and compare the notes. And we also can rewrite notes and ask lecturer for clarifications. So that's all what I learned in study skills. I hope I can use all these skills to improve my study and can get a better result in my examinations. That's all from me, and thank you for watching this video.